Oh yeah, I can hear it rubbing. Okay, yeah. Here. Okay, loosen these guys. I'm in charge. Do what I say. Okay, you ready?
Okay, wait, hold on, Is it loose?
Yep.
Okay, now
Give it a couple squeezes.
There we
Oh,
go.
she squirted. Oh, we got some.
Well, the key is to not fight. Like when you're screwing that on, I feel pressure pushing against my fingers, and you got to let it go just a little bit.
I gotta not screw it so
My
fast.
past experience,
Okay.
Dude, there's something different going
Okay,
on.
here, lift it up now.